Well, my dear children, good morning to all of you. Today, we are going to start a new chapter, that is the bond of love. Can there be a love and friendship? Can there be a love and friendship? Friendship between man and animal. Can be a friendship between human being, man and wild animal. Man and wild animal. Can there be a love and friendship between human and animals, wild animal? Well, my dear friends, it is a proven fact that since the very early days, man domesticated various animals. So, friendship between man or animals are very common. But here, the story, the bond of love, hits upon friendship between man and wild animal. And that wild animal is a deer. That wild animal is bear. That is named Bruno. The name that wild animal is the bear, Bruno. The bear, Bruno. Bruno. So here, the present story is a story about a love between man and wild animal, and that wild animal is Bruno. Bruno the bear. Bear is a wild animal that is omnivorous. So this is a story of a friendship, the bond of love. Whose bond of love? Love between the human being and wild bear, Bruno. So the present story is a story about a love between human being and wild animal, that is bear, that is a bear named after Bruno. So, named after Bruno. So, the narrator is talking about his pet animal, the bear, who was his wife's pet, narrator's wife. Who domesticated it? Narrator's wife. Domesticated the Bruno pet slot bear, domesticated Bruno pet slot, S-L-O-T-H, sloth bear. Here, Bruno was a pet sloth bear. How the narrator get it? Narrator got it by chance. Narrator got it by chance, incidentally. How? 2 years ago, when we were passing through sugar cane field, किसके फील्ड से? sugar cane field. The narrator was passing through sugarcane field near Mysore. Which area? Mysore. Bangalore, Mysore. People were driving away the wild pigs from the field. The wild pigs who are supposed to destroy the crops of sugarcane. So the people were trying to drive them out from the field by shooting them. Some were shot and some were escaped. Who were some? Some pigs. Some were shot and some escaped. What is some? The pigs. The pigs. Wild pigs. Some is what? Wild pigs. So the wild pigs that were in the sugarcane field, some were shot and some were escaped. Run away. Escaped, run away. भाग जाना. We thought that everything was over when suddenly a black sloth bear came out of the panting in hot sun. When everything was over, suddenly, all of a sudden, a bear come out panting in hot sun, taking deep breath. Now I will not shoot a sloth bear, went only for good reason, for no reason. Went on, unreasonably went on for no good reason. Went on is for no good reason. For no good reason. Man is responsible for the wanton killing, unreasonable killing. We are killing wild animals without any reason, just for fun sake and just for our sports sakes. We wantonly kill wild animals. So here, what the narrator says, that I will not shoot a sloth bear wantonly, but unfortunately for the poor beast. Who is the poor beast? Beast is the wild animal. You might have heard about Beauty and Beast. Beauty is women. Beauty and Beast, there was a chapter, Beauty and Beast. So who is the poor beast? Who is called poor beast? Bruno the bear. Bruno the bear is called poor beast. poor beast, one of my companion. One companion is no friend. A companion is a person who is along with you. Companion, who accompanied you. Companion did not feel that the way out, and I promptly shot the bear on the spot. The bear was shot on the spot. Promptly. Who promptly shot? The narrator. Though narrator never intended, but he promptly shot the bear. As he was the fallen animal, fallen animal, fallen animal, fallen animal, the animal that fall due to the gunshot, the animal that fall due to the animal that has fallen due to gunshot. As the narrator had went only shot the wild bear, so the beast has fallen. Fallen, we were surprised to see that the black for of its back moved and left the prostrate body. Please note down the word prostrate body. Please underline and note down the meaning. Prostrate, P-R-O-S-T-R-A-T-E, prostrate. What is the prostrate means? Lying on the ground. Lying, lying on the ground. Prostrate, lying on the ground, facing downwards, facing downwards, prostrate. So prostrate body, the body that was lying down on the ground, facing downward. So the animal that was shot at by the narrator fell down, was lying on the ground upside down. Then we saw it was a slaughtered bear, baby bear that had been riding on its mother back when the sudden shot had killed her. The little creature ran around its prostrate parents, making a pitiful noise. As the narrator has shot baby's mother, the mother who was carrying the baby on its back. The baby riding on the mother back. Who was the baby? The bear, the slaughtered bear. The Bruno, when the narrator shot at the bear, it was riding on the back of his mother. I ran up it to attempt a capture. It stood into the companions. Where did the narrator ran into? What did the narrator do again? The narrator ran to catch that creature. It is scooted. What is scooted? What is the scooted? The scooters are like scooted. S-C-O-O-T-E-D. Scooted. S-C-O-O-T-E-D. Scooted. Run away. Who is scooted? The bear. Why the bear scooted? Because having seen that the narrator was coming to catch him, so the bear scooted. The bear scooted, ran away into the sugar cane field. Following it with my companion, I was at last able to grab, to have, if you grab, if you have it by the scruff of its neck, while it is snapped and tried to scratch me with its long hooked claw. What is long hooked? Hook of the nail. What is long hook? Nail. Long hooked. Hooked nail. Long hooked nail. Here is a long head. No, nails. We put it in one of the gunny bags we had brought, and when I got back to the Bangalore, I duly presented it to my wife. The beer that was brought from where? Mysore. It was gifted to narrator's wife. Narrator's wife. She was delighted. She was overjoyed. She was happy, delighted. She at once put a colored ribbon round its neck. And after discovering the cub was the boy, she christened. If you are Christian, given name. Christian means given name. CHRIS TEND Christended. Given name. Christened. TEND. Christian. Given name. And what name it was given? Bruno. The name was given Bruno. Bruno soon took to drinking milk from a bottle. In the beginning, the bear was drinking milk from a feeder, from a bottle. You might have seen the feeder. So it was bottle. It was but a step further. Within a very few days, he started eating and drinking. Within a week, the bear started eating and drinking everything. Eating and drinking everything. For he ate porridge, halwa, made from ingredients, vegetable, fruits, nuts, meat, curry rice. So here you see the things, what he eats. What are the things that is eaten by? Fruits. What are the things that is eaten by? Prodigies. What are the things that is eaten by? Prodige. RRIDGE. Halwa. Okay? Fruits. Vegetables. fruits, meat, pork, what especially porks, pig meat. Pork is called pig meat. Pork, curry, curry and rice. Here you see the list of the thing that is eaten by. More than that, eggs, bread, chocolates, sweets, pudding, ice cream, etc., etc., etc. So here you see the excess of love, the excess of care that was given to Bruno. You see, there is a saying, excess of everything is always bad. Here you see, though the animal that was domesticated need to be given food, but here excess of food is given. So if excess of food is given, in fact it went down with relish. What was the result? You see, the beer become very attractive to our celestial dog and to all the children of the tenant lying in our Bangalore. He was left quite free in his younger days, spent his time playing, running into the kitchen and going to sleep in the body. So long, the bear was only a child. Gradually, he grows up. But before growing into, he was let free, moving freely from here to there, even he visit the kitchens and sleep. One day, an accident befall. Befall means taken place. One day, one incident befall. The narrator had put down poison to kill the rats and mice that had got into his library. What that the narrator has done? He has put some poisons in his library to kill the rats. But unfortunately, Bruno entered the library. As he offended, he ate some of the poison. Some of the poison that was kept for the rat to kill, it was eaten by Bruno. So, what happened? You may understand. What may happen? Paralysis set into the contest. Paralyzed. The body stopped functioning. Whose body? Bruno's body stopped functioning. Why? Because he has consumed poison. So, but he dragged him from his stump to his wife, who called me. But somehow he reached to narrator's wife, and the narrator was called. He immediately guessed what had happened. I rushed to the car to the vet's residence. What is vet? Veterinary doctor. Vet is veterinary doctor. Animal doctors is known as veterinary doctor. Vet is veterinary doctor. A doctor, a physician that treat the animals is known as veterinary. You are living in, there is a veterinary campus ground, Pashupalan Vibhag veterinary department. hospitals, cows, dogs. There are so many hospitals, veterinary hospital. There is a veterinary hospital in near the Khetan market also. You need to take the dog for the vaccination. So here you see. So a case of poisoning, tame bear. What to do? What was it? Was a case? It was a case of poisoning. The doctor immediately come to know that it was a case of poisoning. Out came his medical book and feverish. And what poison did you say? Barium carbonate. Ah, yes, barium. Barium carbonates. Symptoms: paralyzed, treatment, injection. Symptom is what? After consuming barium, the poison, the animal get paralyzed. What is the treatment? Only injection. Injection can get cured. Or just a minute, sir, I will bring my syringe and medicine. Syringe and medicine. Syringe is the equipment that is used for injecting. A dash back to the car. Bruno is still floundering. Floundering. F-L-O-U-N-D. Floundering. F-L-O-U-N-D-E-R. Floundering. Flounder से बना बेटा floundering. F-L-O-U-N-D-E-R-I-N-G. Struggling. Floundering means struggling. S-T-R-U-G-G. Struggle. S-G-G-L-I-N-G. Struggling to move. Floundering. Who was struggling to move? Bruno, who was lying, half paralyzed, was trying to move. About his stomach, but clearly weakness rapidly. Some vomiting, some heavy breathing, with heavy flanks, gaps in mouth. Hold him, everybody. It goes back. Hypodermic. Hypodermic. What is the hypodermic? A long needle used to be given, an injection under the skin. What the physician, the doctor say? Hold everybody. Bruno, 10 cc, the antidote enters his system without a drop being wasted. 10 minutes later, condition unchanged. Another 10 cc injection, 10 was given. Bringless Estortus. Please note down the word estortus. Noisy breathing. Estortus. Bruno can move his arm and legs, and a little, although he cannot stand yet. 30 minutes later, 2 10 cc injections. How many injections? 2 10 cc. That is a syringe like that, one like that. Here is the needle, that is cc. Whole measurement scale is given, printed on it. So 10 cc, 2 10 cc injection was injected, and after half an hour later, Bruno get up, has a great feed. He looked at us, disdainfully, as much as it. What a barium carbide to big black bear like me. Bruno is still eating. So here the first student, the narrator beautifully described the first incident. So till here we have come to know that how Bruno, the wild pet, the wild animal that was brought by narrator and gifted to his wife. So dear children, now it is your turn. 5 minutes is only left. You need to ask your problem. Now it is your turn. I am just unmuting you. Please ask your query.